Rediscovering Joy. Fun ways to revive your marriage. Do you know what joy is? I'm Paul Friedman. I'm not joy, but I'm joyful. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm going to give you some hints, some tips, some really good ways to experience that joy in your marriage. But first, I'm going to ask you a question. Why did you get married in the first place? And I know the answer, because when I first started helping people with their marriages, I was a divorce mediator. A couple asked me to help them save their marriage because my specialty was communication. And I thought, I gotta have more than that in my quiver. So I started asking people, why did you get married? Why did you get married? Even standing in line at Starbucks, why did you get married? I found my soulmate. Everyone said the same thing. You know what I said? That's not the reason. That is a good reason. You found your soulmate. By the way, stop for a second, subscribe, hit that button, like, and share. The reason you got married is so basic. You wanted to be happier. And you also wanted to give all your happiness and love to your soulmate. And guess what that means? That means that you have discovered the golden aura of joy. That is what joy is giving love. Sometimes I describe to people who I'm meeting with, or even in our course for marriage or in the books, I talk about liquid love. Open up your heart. Think of your heart as having doors. Door of my heart, open wide, and let the waters of love, the liquid love, pour onto your soulmate. And you know who's going to feel the joy? You are. Why? Because giving joy, I'm going to explain this to you. This is cool. This is called metaphysical science. You cannot create love. You don't have the capacity. You're a human being. You're God's wonderful child. But you can't create love. Love comes from God. He gives us love. And he expects us to feel his joy, which is love. How? By opening our heart and think of it this way. His love is flowing through you, out of your heart to your soulmate. And that's rediscovering the joy. You'll have it all. Test it. Try it. It never fails. And if your marriage is teetering, read one of my books. Check out the Course for Men or the Course for Women and get your marriage back into that place where all it's producing is happiness, joy, love, and harmony. You know what? You can float in that joy. I do every day. I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you and take care. See you next time. See you next time.